Hey guys, so we're here at Bellevue Resort in Bohol. So we're at the third floor. It's an ocean side room. As you can see, there's huge cabinets over here for flat iron, and then a safe in here. They have no laundry bags, but you get a laundry basket over there. So right here is the toilet and bath. So there's a bathtub which you can use, but no bath gel or whatever. They have this toiletries. I've already took their toiletries in there, so it's non-potable water. So there's the overhead shower, orange shower, toilet. Yeah, complete toiletries. So there's just a small wiring over there. So inside the bedroom, there's a huge TV, king size bed, so many mirrors. Their outlets are a bit worn, so you'll have a view of the ocean. I think it's the Doljo Beach. Let's go to the balcony. You'll have dryers to hang your wet clothes while you swim. So there's the swimming pool. There's the other rooms. We're at the East Balay section, and chairs here. And yesterday there was a wedding, an event. So there you have it. I hope you enjoyed this short room tour. It's our last day and we're here and walking and flying home today. See you in the next video.